everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you love to shop Luxe, welcome. My name is Joanne, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. Also, let's be friends on Instagram at Shop Luxe, and I'll link it down here for you. In today's video, it's going to be another special unboxing for you, but it's not going to be about handbags. This is actually a surprise for my husband and my son because they've been waiting for the PlayStation 5 or the PS5 to come out, but there's not a lot of stocks available and it's so hard to find. And I promised them on Christmas that I'm gonna get one for them, but I wasn't able to because it's nowhere to be found. And so I told my husband to just keep looking, and luckily he was able to find one. And we had to wait for a week to drive all the way to San Diego just to pick it up. So in a little bit we are going to San Diego and we're going to unbox it after. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are already here at Best Buy and I want to get this ring light for my YouTube videos. And the girls are checking out the toy section while the boys are picking up the PS5. So now it's time to go home and unbox the PS5. Now me and the kids are watching my husband unbox. He's just so excited. So there are two versions of the console. One is the standard and one is the digital. The difference is that the standard, you can play it with discs and digital games. And the standard version is a little bit more expensive than the digital one. So this is the console, and I think you can either let it stand like this or lay it flat on a surface. So whichever model you choose, you will get the PS5 console, the DualSense wireless controller. You'll also get the USB Type-C to Type-A charging cable for the DualSense wireless controller, HDMI cable, AC power cord, and a base that allows you to orient the console either vertically or horizontally, and a quick start and safety guide. Okay, so this is the size of the PS5 compared to the PS4, which was made 8 years ago. Finally, they're setting up the PS5 and now they're ready to play. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, on the next one. Bye!